What is the correct way to declare a variable in Python? The answer is option C, x equals 10. Python uses x equals 10 to assign a value to a variable. Which of the following is an integer data type in Python? The answer is option C, 25. 25 is an integer, 25 in double quotes is a string, 25.0 is a float. What will be the output of this print statement? The answer is option C, class, float. 3.14 is a floating point number. Which keyword is used to define a function in Python? The answer is option C, def. Functions are defined using the def keyword. How many times will this execute? The answer is option B, 3. Range produces 0, 1, 2 to 3 iterations. What does OOP stand for? The answer is option A, object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Python? The answer is option C, double. Python uses float, not double. What tool is widely used to write Python code interactively? The answer is option A, Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a popular interactive Python tool.